Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to dive into a classic comfort food that's perfect for any time of the day: mac and cheese. So, let's get started. Mac and cheese is a dish that has been around for centuries, and it's a true testament to the power of simplicity. It's made with just a few ingredients, but the result is a creamy, cheesy, and delicious meal that's sure to satisfy any craving. To make the perfect mac and cheese, you'll need some elbow macaroni, a good quality cheese, and a few other essentials. First, cook the macaroni according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, it's time to make the cheese sauce. The key to a great mac and cheese is using a blend of cheeses. I recommend using a combination of sharp cheddar, Gruyere, and Parmesan. Melt the cheese in a saucepan over low heat, stirring constantly until it's smooth and creamy. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the cheese sauce. Stir everything together until the pasta is coated in the delicious cheese sauce. If you want to add some extra flavor, you can mix in some chopped bacon or sauteed mushrooms. Now, it's time to bake the mac and cheese. Pour the pasta and cheese mixture into a baking dish and top it with a generous amount of shredded cheese. Pop it in the oven and let it bake until the cheese is golden and bubbly. And there you have it, a classic mac and cheese that's sure to please everyone at the table. Serve it up with some crusty bread and a side salad, and you've got a meal that's perfect for any occasion. So, the next time you're craving comfort food, why not give mac and cheese a try? It's a dish that's simple to make, but the result is a hearty and satisfying meal that's sure to hit the spot. Thank you for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Until next time, happy cooking!